Watch out. I'm recording.
Sorry.
There we go, Wildcats.
The first loss.
Take a knee, guy. Come on, respect. All right, first off, hey, thank you both teams for coming out here. All right?
Thank you for having us.
I'll tell you what, there are no losers on this football field.
Woo!
And including all the people who got to watch this football game today. You got to be proud of your performance. Everyone in your team played your heart out. That's right. Solid football game. I loved it. Loved every minute of it. Okay, we come out here to play and have fun. All right? I want to throw another shout out to all your parents, all your coaches, and everyone else who got you guys to and from practice every night all year long. Okay? Great job. Thank you. All right, now real quick, if I could, I need a captain from Eastwood.
Tommy.
Tommy.
Right here, young guys. Right here.
I thought he wanted one.
Eastwood. I'd like to present you with the runner-up trophy, 2014 Redmond Bowl. Good job.
Bring all of ours up.
Good job, guys. Now I need the captains from the Webster Wildcats.
Bring it up. Let's get it.
Oh, we're missing one. Bradley, get up there, buddy.
There we go.
Right here, guys, 2014 Redmond Bowl champion.
Woo!
Good job, guys. Good job.
Great game, Webster. Great game.
Hold up, let's go.
Face Will.
We'll get a moment to take pictures. Once again, I want to thank everybody for coming up. What a game. What a great night to play football. Game. Thank you. Awesome.
Yeah, let me see this.
Great game, guys.
Oh, yeah.
Hey guys, Tyler, turn around, guys. Turn around, get your medals. Go get your medals.
Hey, let me take a picture.
Get your medals.
Good job, guys.
Hey, Tommy.